Hello everybody, welcome to Study Smart. My name is Sylvia and today I'm going to go ahead and talk about the use of idioms in speaking skills. IELTS wants to see a level of comfort in language, and the best way they can do that is by allowing informal language. One mannerism of using informal language is the use of idioms. It is always expected that you use idioms as a part of your natural speech. So do not try to go ahead and by heart the list of idioms. Idioms like not my cup of tea or piece of cake can be made a part of your everyday speech, making sure that they sound natural even during the exam. This helps to improve your score as it brings a level of understanding of English even in the informal format. Thank you.